Hi everyone, this is Lowitz Gaming, and this is my cat's kittens. Hope she doesn't mind. So yeah, there's about 7 kittens right now, and they're just 1 day old. And I thought just to show them because they're drinking milk right now, and that's just cute. And yeah, there's 3 ginger cats, there's 3 black and whites, and there's 1 fully black. And this is their mother, Chipsy. They're so cute. I want to keep another ginger cat because of reasons. They're just so cute. I can't resist not taking something of a video and upload it to YouTube, right guys? Let's read this. I think Chipsy's getting a little bit annoyed though. So I'm gonna go vlog about my house now, okay? Bye guys. Well, bye kittens, you know. Let's start the vlog around my house. Well, my actual house then. So as you can see, I got a Pokemon book. Because of reasons. And this I had for like forever, but I'd like to show you because, yeah, I know it's been out for years, but whatever. It's redstone. And you know why I got redstone? It's glowing. You know why I got redstone? Because when you hit it in the game, guess what happens? It glows until you break it like that. But whatever. Cats, wait. Where's my other cat? Because she's always doing something cute. Where is she? She in this room. That's my mom.
As for the south sound, it's going to be dry and wet. Get the best of both worlds in June for only $16.99.
Where's Ella? Weird. Anyway, this is my dog. She's in trouble. Bailey, no! Bailey got out. Whatever. This is my dog, Bailey. And yeah, she always does something cute, so let's follow her. I know I showed you in one of the videos. Oh gosh, it's too bright for you guys to see. It's way too bright in my house right now. Yeah, but now she's gone. So yeah. Here's my bike. Dollhouse. Got toys, and yeah. This is my brother's computer. My computer for making videos at my dad's house. Anything outside. Oh gosh, it's too bright for you guys. But yes, I got a guitar. Guess I'm terrible at it. But anyway, bye guys, and see you tomorrow.